What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Alt Delete, your #1 source for everything in the world of meme coins and altcoins. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, and ADA, and much more. We're talking about XRP prices flashing with 4 warning signs. One XRP price metric hints at a 50% plus price decline for the cryptocurrency in the coming months. However, before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest. And remember, these videos are for educational purposes only. Please hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell for all notifications, leave positive comments, help us educate people in a positive fashion. If there's more that you know in these videos, help us educate people. All right, so XRP bulls should brace for a period of potential price declines in the coming weeks, at least for indicators that hint at a downside ahead, including a mix of technical, fundamental, and on-chain metrics. XRP price bear flag setup. So the first indicator hinting at a potential downturn for XRP is a bear flag pattern. Now, what is this? Well, it's a bearish continuum pattern characterized by a small upward sloping rectangle formed by parallel lines against the prevailing downtrend. Now, it gets resolved when the price decisively breaks down below the lower trend line and falls by as much as the prevailing downtrend's height. Now, as of January 30th, XRP is precariously hovering at the lower trend line of its bear flag, which is signaling a potential breakdown. Concurrently, its weekly relative strength index stands at around 40, and neutral territory indicates the scope of possible further declines in the market. So you can see that in this chart right here, what's going on with it. So therefore, there's a decisive break that's below the flag's lower trend line, risks positioning XRP's price for a fall to around 24 cents, down 55% from current price levels by May or June. So XRP whales are dumping. What does that mean? Well, they're selling, right? They're on the brink of a bear flag breakdown, which is a situation that aligns with the substantial inflow of XRP worth hundreds of millions of dollars into Bitstamp and other cryptocurrency exchanges, according to data from Whale Alert. Now, what that means is it's going to include a Ripple transfer of 24.75 million worth of XRP tokens into an unknown wallet on January 30th, and this transfer is likely going to be part of Ripple's routine operations involving the tokens unlocked from escrow each month. So you can see that in here. Now, the timing of these substantial XRP transfers to exchanges is noteworthy because as it aligns with a critical shift in the distribution of XRP's holdings. Now, specifically, there's a noticeable decrease in the XRP reserves of Whale holding between $100 million and $1 billion worth of the token. 1 billion tokens, and which is going to create a teal wave alongside increased holdings by entities possessing over 1 billion tokens in the black wave, which could be crypto exchanges. You can see that on this chart. So, following the decline in XRP holdings among the cohort with 100 million to 1 billion tokens, there has been a corresponding uptick in the supply controlled by the group holding 10 million to 100 million XRP, which is the red wave. So this suggests either the selling or redistribution of XRP holdings by whales. So Death Cross head and shoulders breakdown. So XRP's sell-off risks are further increased due to a confluence of 2 bearish technical setups on shorter time frames. So first, XRP's 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, will likely cross below its 200-day EMA, the blue wave, forming a so-called death cross. And for instance, death cross formed by the XRP daily chart in December 2021 preceded a 65% price decline as shown below right here. So secondly, XRP is painting a head and shoulders H&S pattern on its daily chart. H and S is a bullish to bearish trend reversal pattern characterized by a peak shoulder followed by a higher peak, which is the head, another level, which is lower peak shoulder, which all forms a top common support line called the neckline. So analysts have measured the H&S price targeted, analysts measure the H&S price target by calculating the maximum distance between the head's peak and the neckline and extending it downward to the point where the price breaks through the neckline. Now, by applying this same technical rule on XRP's H&S brings its price target to about 34 cents, which is down 30% from current price levels. So no spot XRP to ETF in sight. Analysts are not too optimistic about spot XRP exchange trading funding happening anytime soon, and the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the US Securities Exchange Commission is making this even more difficult. And Townsend Lansing, head of product CoinShares, told Cointelegraph for a spot XRP ETF to be feasible, the SEC must agreeing that XRP is not a security scenario. So hopefully that ends up happening so XRP stops downswinging. But yeah, this might be the time to invest in it when it's cheap. I'm probably going to invest in a bit of XRP now that it's going down, and you only have to invest a few bucks, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's video on Crypto Alt Delete. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night, everybody.